efrato enti said the oben say obeka je wom ne de ato hoye empremprem yaw no beko the moment the permanent and lasting solution na beba permanent and lasting solution na de beba. So it is better to deal with the temporal one and get a better, answers and all that. Right? Yawo kroma. Ana yaka galamse hunsem. In fact, aban dadano awoso no. One of the things that you use against Abina and Ewosono, I galamse. Did it to region? And the open pomecon, and the because no man can do obey whom born in one friend say, Papa. Sad and go for die. But currently, issues now question no cry the airtime. To the extent say you video nibi. To the extent say Drew baby, there's a documentary on a chief executive. Chief executive no allow say Chroma dear Galani de Abemwa ye name of this tax down payment 6,000. Now this is no nimska crowd 6,000 iska. Obi betu gala say you 6,000 aje. Etimudi ka kotua 30 million no. I don't know say initial payment and way no. Etu de tax ni nyina ebe kan bom se ba akwa kotua ne bank. You do obetua ne bank, you obeba betua ne direct. Enti ni nyina kan bom na 6,000. Akwa ne mum pa de. Onim ska mum de. Gala fosi ko mum making. Nyomo mu sani. And there's an MC ya. On what region more? On one ma all Jessica but where is the pay slip no? Equa assembly conference mu. The Equa assembly conference mu about say way Equa assembly conference mu. I like the rapid response His Excellency so much investigation into that. And yeah, what? Try and give me the pay slip no. Yeah, what? Gilbert Triafa baby na ko red akwa no odi ani your friend red to oro na be si so na si ni so a MC nya fast say ye from a confirm o phone so akwa ipa gumani masio but enyo no nko an maka say MC sir na kan galam say go on our area now see uni mo hwe enya no credit because una are in charge of DISEC, music, resec, all the sec no eti se esi district ni mu a because all the head of DISEC and music no over report to the regional minister or no in charge of resec eti to me se fa assembly manner Efa MCDC ya. That means a regional minister, you are also aware by extension. If regional minister tells me, say, he's not aware, that is an oversight responsibility on yet. Regional minister so all coordinations no mu ya can development pa dia. Our MMDCs no. It is why a regional minister you have an oversight responsibility. Why is their act? No, I'll try and get it for you. Well, you have an oversight responsibility. The oversight responsibility is like that. The Akwaso district, you are responsible. A gear towards you. You are like the president in the region. And the Akwaso Biana said, "Yeah, the briefing all that, but you are aware." But the moment a regional minister will tell me, "Say, on you aware of what is going on, none attention I divided, not regional minister no oye bibi foforo." Bible said, "Baby, I wakuma wono, baby, or Japadi or the one wakuma wo." There is nothing wrong, sir. Regional minister, about TikTok and our Facebook. But so regional minister, not the BR, the priority. So about that TikTok. As some way, media for anything so meka. Because we want things to improve. Okay, I say, I'm not catch you say, me you be free school don't also be the president emede. But yeah, my dear, in same way. Yeah. John Dramani Mahama by appointing young people. We are all happy. Sammy Jamfi is doing well. Eric Ejebo, yeah, dear. Basintelli, Amiadum said one ton wababa. All these young guys in Gugu Yenimasi. Dr. Mwakwini was doing well. First year, the best regional minister ever. Yadinikto Biampwa, Dr. Mwakwini. But Dr. Mwakwini Trimude ya run too much. Agudie ne ya dosun. O kan o mbe ya o da me fa wa wo so sebi. Se wo ye citizen a wotua tax. Na enwoma nkoye na ase ye kana be ya wa wasem. The first year of Dr. Mwakwini, he was doing so well. But currently agrone ya dosun Dr. Mwakwini adwuma ne nyese ontimi nya obetima ye. But the entourage be a one war base president about the convoy and all that effort. But the Jumana Nkasa dear, Mrs. Siken ye, Dr. Mwakwini down. I'm telling you. Here and Raminya call. I'm not based on Galamsenko. I have series of things I may catch them. And Raminya call course na yen. Chrono mentioned Yana be on ma. Miswana na me ko bu on ma say manyini ya na me refio, but I quite remember say bo ho ye wo tri bo ho ye wo jako bo ho ye wo I think a franchomo side area ko ne ko bu say no what happened. Matters on security ko ne ko bu sa what happened. Rural areas ni bia edura nwumra esum something I ask myself say so aya na omumfa ana. If the MMDCs are not working, why you switch them? It's the regional minister. So if you have a regional minister or party area, na onfa nyome niagura. The position of him say every district he has to know what is going on. I am not sure say Regional Mr. Beka Chem say sa galam say ye koso region mu is not aware. The MMDCs MC na ni krom ye we no. Are you telling me say on a dissecting meeting the security service now hold are they not aware say sa galam say e koso to the extent say assembly no eject tax on galamsey. Are we okay? Then what's happening to the RISEC? What's happening to the Intelligence Bureau, the National Security? Nina aya under you. Because a young man like him getting such an office, first year he performed so well, but the second year a good year does. Now I say aviation for banner extension. No picture. That is not enough. It is not enough. And you have a Manchester Central. Look at what is going on. People are paying tax. You have to wake up. It's a wake up call for you. Me say Enrab area na make can sabu area no. Say sorry no pa na oyam shisho na usuro. Say boy for say me boy ask them. Ona mwa na yam shisho usuro. Ehu abobu because enyema amrante ne ye wo ho no. Anu adeni. Enyema amrante ne ho na anu adi no. And say so my dwen say onko amegyina kwa ho mfaka. And to in groups num and sia say enra I am told around time I information I dey asan kameko and you know mo amu areas na I've been visiting areas me ana me ne Kwame Nkwantabisa we want to see what is going on grounds we are not armchair journalists adwuma na your friend. So what I'm saying they say And Romu Jina on mana emranche bi ebe ebasa scatter see according to what they informed us. And mranche ne basa omo twesika no de simu amoso omo gemo phone musika wom no magini nyina. Why should I say the regional police? Yes, because the regional police, by virtue of the work of the regional minister, the regional commander, also give details to the regional minister. That is why he's the head of RISEC. To be honest with you, your second year away there, first year. It's not about organizing festivals alone. TME. It's not about organizing festivals alone. Festivals na ye efe. And the business is back, but we have a question there. We have all the festivals are here. And yes, so the business ideas, but matters on security is very paramount. They are saying that the nipa will to me. Our assembly also almost tax on Galamsey. Is it not a shame? Let us see you the first year spirit na you home na. We know what you can do. You are not brimpo. We know what you can do. You nim do it my but second year I must tell you say so far there's is a abysmal performance. Dear question that time. I must tell you so be unconscious because some people have paraded themselves say they we are all with you. But nipo kind of creature on the pewasem. We will not be pampering you whilst things are not going on. The will be the president tell him effect. But dear regional minister, you have to wake up. To be honest with you, you have to wake up. Agrone adoso. And 38 and on social media. I'm not saying they don't go on social media. It's a strategy to even sell the region. I am for that. But so when you dear fata. Ejumane so I quite remember the first thing that you said and they say yadi ejumane ma wono wa oka say ejuma die eso but you side yourself say obetina say aye ejuman and lo and behold uti mampenanim uti yegyinanim say young people yade ye so in your first year you were dynamic, you were versatile, you were everywhere. Bridges say now koye bridge we ko ejumano you were collaborating with your MMDCs. What is happening? You are not saying na ambing. And you need someone to speak truth to power, and that is what I'm telling you. No one is above reproach. Nobody. Obiani ho. Me say Galamsey. Me have been to Galamsey fights, you know. Grounds baby. Why am I baby cranky bomb too? I'm telling you. And I cover back with a great. That's why they be Erasmus and all those guys. I'm saying they are doing well. And you better. To go undercover and better. But I'm telling you, say, Galamsey, they have money, they are big guys. We know some of them, you know them, you've heard of them. But it starts from somewhere. Me told me I'm was here no man. I was free here, no Uncle Fana Saba. And to move free, I know my back. Tia Jumana, I equal section. Adding. But to the extent say you should tax, you may trace a car to account soon under your watch. Not I'm at the braka. So we have to rise as people. We love you, we support you. But what is going on at time? Ade say Nkwane boy they say they accepted Galan to the extent say tax. And people are walking about misbehaving. Sum kronim baby bon. Sanitation baby bon. I have pictures and videos. Last time Kwame fa echire here. Sum kabi. O tafu here. Tafu estate here. Kabi. You have an oversight responsibility. Crack the whip. MMDC is no shawase. Crack the whip. Because you cannot be an armchair regional minister. You will not allow you to enjoy the glories of yesteryears or yesterday. dia wo ye no ayese nwo eda o se di janane no Dr. Mwakohini, it's a wake up call for you. A grown ya dosun and none ya dosun. With the greatest of respect. And I pay how they say, Yebedin Komo. Ewom. Na I was so east. Mekacham say, Enko Psie Babia, Enko Babia. Minority or majority or Munina, Abekronsa, Obia Bida. Me catch him say enko babia. They say baba dia mo yende but enko babia. Enko babia. So we can commit investigation am masa. I do have grace eh. Obusa AI. Obi a wundim no. Say asimesi ni creative ko AI. Alright. Ah, Ghana, kuro mo de o. Ompe Ghana na pay. Kuro mo da kasa. I remember for a message in 0509 438 500 0509 438 500. WhatsApp no join us. Facebook no so join us. 93.1 Sompa. Our Facebook and all the other social media platform. Kwame no pay matching. Important to say. Na me ado me ho ya pa. Zambia for friend of Blouse. Kwame, so where you know? I think I think you have to change. Yeah. So yeah, anyone was saying that thing. Okay. All right.
Kwame, what again? What again? We young transcend.
Say me citizen, not spectator. And the president say, "Yenye say ya, Kwame Anwana me a citizen, no spectator."
Me a citizen. Yes, me with me the about farmer.
Still number citizen and no spectator. Kwame na meka Dr. Makwan here say no manfa we kran me referee barricade for there. Also, Excellency John Dramani Mama can say 261 districts in Bebia yede 24-hour market beko. And he said, video no I'm getting ready. President said, say, Bebia sa 24-hour market in beko no. It should be a place proximity no ebebua traders no. And it should be at least the district capital and as a close Bebia nipa wa you say market no. Minimum up to now, barricade issue no. Omusha say no regional minister ni o. Up to now, hwe assembly ba yet now ye hwe han. Enipa omubo no kwadu MC din wom. Etikwam you cannot rely on the MC. Else move from that angle. That offer omudom solve say issue no. Me pese bedru ba bi na kro samien say ye wo hoyi. Omudom wo pa. Why me bedru ba bi na because of some market then to kwa ba be so muntem ya betena wa ya hu sa ade ne ba e matters on security ya betena wa me ansa me ba be kan asem na me ache na me ache say the na bet for na say me say ran here be the koko du bet and of course I will not resign from it me ache. So what are they doing? Barkasi asem no Kwame ebeye sana we afio bon se dako na me fasa ama ena Ghana for ede echeche we na me fasa ama no very well yenim so say ade ne preventable you can solve it near to nya me fasa ama na aba ko nya me amo adwen sa adwen no de badwen adwen ni nya adwuma body ni bre kafra ma me mra so bi
ka me no anu aka no say adwen na nyankopon de ama no your squad me boy say ne seso.
Bra baby now na. Okay. So ma yanya na me ni say amount.
Yes. And I think say the BBA demo clear. Nti Kwame said the o kan say the chat to no say adwene na nyankopon de amaye no say yamana nya adwuma nipa dua na bebre no correct because nyame aboye nse nipa ye ne seso nti say ye ne seso de ase de wasi aboye unique na nyankopon adebo nyina mu nso na nipa dwene nyankopon adebo ho a ontumi ntiase but the only thing obey say I say obeka niema de ahye nyame ani monyam de abone dini no saa na wose waboye nsa na ode adwene adua yemu no ode adwene na ma yense yenwene yenyusu adwene no yenwene na yemfa ntua na mo esefata na yemfa nya niema pa ebeboa yen any yenchirima ne people that we live with. Enti say ya nyusu adwene ne saa na Kwame adwene na de be ye bia ye de e cause lots of problems said the mayen as timemufo e cause lots of problems said the mayen as Ghana for na yenia no ye di nyankopon atem
wa me brana many PR ni komo Ben era Ben awa homa so and rana a lot of reports about some areas almost say Kanyano or Hoduma minim say Omanya challenger Mr. Adwuma chain
so na pome
amia don boko na so ne abusia no to say
Damia dom ya hoye
good currently more issues bia more dealing with ana because reporter be back na say say areas ni bebre wo hodma the fluctuations of light no ya get it out of hand more challenges bia ana dwuma bia more ye lines in so
but I say akwenya ra me na no pe be pa akwenya so exia we stay for ne ahwefo and anope na ya mo bia abishafa na yeah wo kanu no okay say better now okay back hello era ya do I walk at the time na itimo kapo a chopa kes it's really that is go for I'm usually for you na say yeah it's the year no wa ba na or how be na eba sister no mo na enya beja to say afi tue mu na call it so na fact we go nya kana call it so new year na call it so in fact January ka po na call it so but February it is super yeah now free best yawadano yes and the challenge yeah say ya humana is free a range box of life point then what Georgia would tell no call adowato the one before adowato and you plan station we only more
pa
yes there was substitute with the honor
okay
there was Georgia was have a down corner na akwaso akọ by get to offense na if you do advance no crab one part this also call doors a bumper it mean na umano eti ewo be kwara about oh yeah do be kwara about bibia reach international school one yeah that eti na umano e na mono eti help you because or how about who it makes transfer losing na for back on do eti ni yom na za give a supply ma obia but it sense Ghana water or war by casting or what the head work no the more to looking it's well far you putting and into a do the two my dear chain confirm is the other confirm say be now mana aten until Friday and upon engineers no for no kwa use man na as I say you do partner or back on so we can say you na mono and I'm you know and 3,000 boots on model with. And we have also been so much a shock you. We are very local for Ruthia shop. And into it's not by morning, you do now the engineers in your Bible at the year is man. The almost is around 8 and on panel by 3 years. No more years is man. answer the beautiful net Minya Kania. And to Friday, there is some more outreach this month. I said, more, yeah, after 4. Subon say go ni room to for afwa ko de amure then I say ebo akwa da so tan so bankra so kunsu erijama adam kwa me samya me nya le nya sa outage na yiwie no na da no bia wo kanea Saturday, I remember now part no be out and there. For previous says over time, you to get it for a yes, in sooner or how to say about the Kakaba and network. You push the here. I want to be to toy. The billboards being and baby call one way a woman idea. I don't know, I remember down the Ukraine, probably do the thing. To me, a year is so far more. The mood year, you smile in the town, you go get up with the bed and the sideline. I didn't say, and to me, a year, for example, very a drug down of panel, and to me, that is to talk about how everybody in Milano. Now, a drug down of Pona and best if you have no means 3:30, the no means I'm not family ahead. And in major challenge, I was system. And telling our Kaya, maybe I don't know my off a Kaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot on the right system. You would say, there be way in free system. It's a balance and it's a core good for more and no more edit man. The Mutual Court is a normal to Yenya. I think the public account and great maybe upstream or more thrown. And the ECG good for the industry place near address said, probably not with you, among the two no. It's the Israel say, corner and actually see. Yeah, share send you good to me. I restore power. I might be for the donor because, in fact, I would say, Omulia Kania, the hospital, Sabia businesses in the net, they restore power for Sana. They're going to see because we watch a history of what I said, you see, Sana. Yeah, but let's go ahead and see if you be to restore power. To be said, by 5:36. Yeah, you utilize it the kaka, and they just say picking the kaka. Yeah, tell us if you want you carbon. Who's there? Who do fear? Who saw? Who TV no fan the light in boom at the same time? Also, BJB. In the Bible, they are currently doing nothing. Yeah, our own. In the video, put to my report. So, the Kanye do poor. I mean, try to do TV or fan work on this way above our business to so they are power about with a power number. Now, for what's it, I saw on the other that philosophy now is to wear because so yes, I hope you take good in a Goa, as the local system. And there are no you have to kill a kaka, you don't need to go to Casaqua. Omega said you had a problem nearby. Ubekatonya power 7 o'clock in me, Ubekatonya 8 o'clock in me, Ubekatonya 9 o'clock. Ubekatonya by 6:30 because after Tuesday, like let's say restore power and kaka. But I started by 11:30 here. Now you to me, I restore power, move the hour and the name. I'm a heavy crap, will know be our can confirm me, Ever and of a real power name. Yeah, so confirm you still and also you mean Indian here some. How much people live not idea. The time look as though say happy to Capua. Yeah, I think that a beautiful more Kokobe and Pamaker Konkuri. Zambia, even the Pame, Sabia from Kraza, in the Titan and White Costo. Okoto stores were quite all Kaya Bodum, but my cycle is 2,000 engineers and quite so much. I want to see, in fact, a little major calendar. In there, free, wada, and then I don't pay. Some like I just say, it defended this year, but they too will let their top and say, Emma, you do it for Nina.
And they say they are stabilizing your man.
But I look at me there, I said, and I say, we use that pocket, and I say, I'll take the get a boy, yeah. They say, I'm not paying less than I boy. We look at you, need job problem. The other I said, what do you want? Any kind of said is free.
Hello, Ben.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Yeah, that one woman take kakra. And some radio you can assure all your customers say feed the sidina say bibia I okay.
Yes, and I'm a guy say you need major problem. Yeah. We need the move also the Kwame but we do the quietly one of that yeah. We need the free one of the in fact you need major challenge yeah. But who says make a high tension stop transmission line that idea. But if you are not to localized force, they are very face off. If you are telling they are so bad from way, who talk when you call outside the room, I said to play with a walk and I here. I'll talk when you call outside the room. If you are going to the light, and I say if you can't follow, mobile last row, the light, first small lights now, there's no face off issues. And not at the end of the year. This offer a contact line and 0302 611 611 0302 611 611 and offer engineers member of the shop and we localize it.
Okay.
And we'll get a bit to face off that idea. And yeah, what would you?
All right. Ben, I don't pay my NRC.
You miss me that pound.
All right. Ben Nathan can say Yanini Edim come off from Electricity Company of Ghana. They say areas Nibia. They say, well, mammy, no. That who they bear now numbers so war mountains. That was the situation now our ground. So I hope say Yebenya stabilize but I say Ben de number no so atuja in case area how you're having issues then you can call them so Kwame
Mamenda sibi nchi for and of course as I say ubepi mo Ashanti West lies out no I know ya edine papa uninformed na baneko nti good to hear somebody for 821 amona fi omo se modi yi beto yi you said na no say Kwame me no cry anim sem me ti se wutiam se na de na esi because now no ordene papa na no ordene and
I was time here white me that's the rumble step ba na back cost na ba from anyone here be say apply
na ko say as a disco light me say na asantiko na Kwame as I was saying say Yakopon said you see boy no o say yemfa ya adwene no enye adwuma na adwene no nso say ye de adwuma na Kwame e de oyeni e de bre e de how e de bre na dachi eni ni da so wo adwene na ye yusu du mu a na ye ya di Nyankopon atem na ye ya kase Nyankopon adwene na ode amaye no sabi ye pa kire se so nim fa so emfa maye bi ka we nyina in relation to the air happen in Odotobri Amansie Central ya ene zi Kwame zi ya na approved o nti wo sa galamse yi na de bra bi tua 3000 na ji sa receipt no Kevin for receipt no to so mame na bra be ji receipt no nti unya be ji receipt na Kwame as to he fa na akoye gala no emfa omo ho de hia ne se wo tua 3000 ya ji receipt
registration fee
yes
6,000 operational
yes
and then operational fee 4,500
yes
excavator and then slide another side and then one and also 1,500
ane
enti we Eric Bintani kutia hey already nyango
na Kwame let
me ma stick out
ane Ani. Your mouse sticker. Sticker ni je fako di juma. Je fako ye galamsey. Se baby a wo kwa koye de wo ye no. Se eye allowed. Se eye permitted se honum ubetumi atu anase wuntumi ntu Kwame ye mfa ho. Nti wo de ane se wo kwa kotu. Na Kwame I it saddens my heart krata na free assembly honum wo response na buy no. Kwame me chance true krata na am say na ho na true krata we afutu be na tu no we true sa krata we. So the person is admitting say indeed wo mo gisika no na sika na anshas ya mfiri o mo mpenso enti say anshas ya mfiri o mo mpenso no Kwame
na to aso
I branded na nyankopo nti anshas ya mfiri o mo mpenso no Kevin me sure say won saka krata no anshas ya mfiri o mo mpenso no Kwame say the practice na ekoso no say yo say enyo say tosumo say ntasumo wo mo to aso woman to aso say sika no mo gino enam ne kwan so say we Public Financial Management Act 2016 Act 921 say ene no ye pe say nam ne kwan so kwan mo fa so gi sika no say yo say enyo Kwame woman so ma ba woman to aso. So it means say no due diligence bia has been done and sada mo to the ekoso no so. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Adene ya mo open myself for a radical side na ya mo open myself for say nipa betumi anya mo ho asem akasa an ye nyina ye ntene but the toda mutua na mo bi at least tenase dwene ho kakra oni penifon tu ho ani ho nkomo kakra na hunu se de ode ba bontin no etoasumu ana etoasumu Kwame permit me na me matiefo ye nkoturu omolete na kakra na nhwade kakra bi me paragraph bi a metacle or say setting the record straight on the so called galamsey tax sa caption you kra sebe why would you caption your letter like this? Record when I was setting it straight. The other kind, I don't know record now. I was setting it straight.
I'm saying record.
The other kind of character, I don't know record.
Any penny wumpo.
Oh, Abba. Abba. Oh, the Kwame said, "Bessia, now my who the other because one here, Abba can't the end you can so yeding. Oh, Coca. Setting the record straight. On the so-called galamsey tax. So-called. Was it so-called? Ayesika na mo diana na mo nye. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Kwame.
Hey,
Kwame, I say for clarity, this revenue collection is not an informal or arbitrary practices. It is based on an assembly bylaw that was duly passed as far back as 2008 and has been operational ever since. No individual, it has been operational ever since. It is a bylaw no more buy no and yet bylaw no more buy no and no ne kwanya the president of the republic so fight illegal mining no saying kwa was sitting china trying to ba betwaso also ba betwaso say nti na assemblies no ni you fi say assembly no ebetumi asesa mo bylaws at any time bia na enti motina say mo kan sa bylaw no ai ma ho kwan say mo yes our practice na mo hu say se mo yesa emmoa no nti bibia nso anka ntira mo se we de mo mfanse saye ba ko mienu bi enva mechiche mu ana say ne sitie. And yesterday when I was reading through this letter, me said why na yes PR works no de mom why pa na yes PR works no de mom
I force over kasa
I force za we de krata babonte I force ti record no be set ye no aniana. And only way now they are babontiana. What to me at say aji animguase aye de e koso hanum si. When you wasem o se pre wo ho babontia ba be kasa. Now ba be kasanso a wo meka asem a eto akoma so o meka asem a eto asumu o meka asem a ejojo akoma o meka asem a ebematimemufo anya ntiase ne mum chese wo de ona onim krata ona munim se de tworo adan a unya kotransi assembly wo yinti papa no abo na de ababontin. The president, we dey when you and all of these things, you know, me be I can say the resource of it, you know, me I thought that you don't hear me, but the road path, the road map now, the when you quite offers you 2 and amono, me any hear me. Do you first acquire no no wood to say na me who say an amona wood to me papa and resource in the bar, you need a budgetum. Say this say me say and yeah we dem from so bia ma ho nti end resource na ba na ye nyina yatumi agi atum ni nyina na yatumi aka say ye nyina ye ka ho nti ye hu the end resource. Now regional minister bra amincha wa no pay wo hoye office won so me ye sure say juma ni nyoma hodo a wo ye no so dane kwam. Yes, I loved your style of ministry ne wo leadership na ekuta ono. Meji to me I am a fe. Ye wo ye na ye. But hyase na tena wo to so. Hyase na gina wo na so. Hyase na at least tete niema ba kumi no eso. Ma juma no nya kese. Ma juma no ye hu. Said your first year ni nyina ye bo abaso first year ye because the ekokoko so wo ye constituency ni district ahodo yi dina no ni nyina ba se ba begu so ni nyina ba se woni ye bebo odin wo region mu na we koso president befro brabi ya no nti afi na wo ba bedwane akwa ase ho akwa gi nchiri mu na wo de akwa koma Mr President ana say na obeye no. I think by now I wasn't cardiac so you know shall see room. A man uncle yes a bimo sabotage wa na say a binum and a shada and no more orchestrating the media against you. Name maninya say a bimo and a person with jumano a jiran and niso and nunti the uncle ye ni jidi now or mu and it your more teteno. And correspondent to the catch round now, what dinner or nice so. Yeah, actually, why genius so no dinner or nice so. Oh, there be now the picture and the video, now voice over name in the more a year, you hear near Sarika. But say a Juma or and I wouldn't yet say Juma or and a Syria no near grown a yard Dawson dear. We can't take it, we can't tolerate it, we cannot continue to live with it. Edi abago here pacho me pacho said yes am jemfi mo basentali mo broja jemfi and onokra me bom pai krase ki bi a substantive minister no kra de be man because obo adwuma ne emabu na hodo bi ebo adwuma bom ho modin eye adwuma no ye pese ye koso ai hu say won so wo ye adwuma sa wo gidin Ashanti region Jumana said you enough from Esso. It is a test for you to prove to all critics say mabunu betumi aye na wo betumi aye na wo yenso. Girl I'm saying Ashanti region edin hini o ye hwini anu haya say mankra so hanom so de yenka ye hwini anu hase ya de enchenchen haya de regional minister anu odene na nura Kwame meeting komobi nipa ne ka chem say Kwame no wo mo ba beto aba no omba ye ho no wakọ site anu agisika wakọ site anu agisika wakọ site anu agisika na ya wo mo kan bom ba no be gina wa fa aba na nipa ne be je so de ba no so Kwame me kasem nti wabeji wa ha kan bom ya kwakọ ye campaign Kwame wo ye so betumi aba be twato there be ontumi me kan kire say ye nya sa na nipa ne ka kire me o ka kire me point blank say Kwame ontumi me kan kire say ye nya nti ade no de ebi atia no betumi ayama eso ate badjai de entumi nya yi it means say you are complicit mo politicians no e drew election no so aboko hokoji ji o musika obianum ton no catch them moko gio musika nam dia be campaign nti you are indebted to them some go be kwa kotu ase pa de ebeyire yenka say obianu aduane mmono there be because adwuma ni kurum ha nti nyina wo se nya adwuma ye but wo se pe kwan paso eye adwuma ye pe kwan paso epesika edigu ye botum sebe ya emenya nsunsuan so ma ye ne ankasa ye ho ene enchirima ye produce omo because enese wunya sika ne bebre tam no ochina oba asase no obetena so oba nsuo no obenom oba aduane a obedi sika no wo ho but sa niema yi nyina nni ho a wadi oba na bro cause kran wo kwa kran ne oma de afri aburuchiri okwa kra afri aburuchiri no economy no ena eba abesei ye city no ena still eba abetiti akofom etiti akofom no na fe ye kwako depend on mrofo no eno na bema mrofo no ho kwan so makwa me omo dictate akire yen near wose ye nti all of the time they will be telling us what to do and when to do it. One more eba be choose de wose ye wo your priorities but o mekire de wose ye ya kwako ye no nti colonization na yesi yade ye ho ye independent country no ne ye boa ye nya independent enunti na ne la sulala nti bosome miensa obi hu bia na light ne yatum enso yatum ye ho akire ye ma ye de ye ho akwakohye bi mu ema o mo kire ye nse ene ye bosome miensa bia nka nsuo nifuo bi na plan yie omum plan nifuo bi na plan yie omum plan niema ebeboa o man no womum planning tutua na mo a esefata because they think about their own stomach ntino or bekwa kokko election and akwa jisika dia free galamsey for ho nti okoji free omo wa o kire bi ontumi nkopamo omo he is indebted to them enunti na enne ya duru babia ya duri eti mesira mu me ma menom ne papa mu se ye kase ye die politicians yachi na ye nso ya ntenase ahunu se wona wa mansia west wa mansia central wona wo ye mankraso wona wo hefa ochina bi asase no eseye a oyetimemuni aduane a obedi bebo enso a obenom bebo ahomie the breath a obenyam from apahome no eno nso bekwa akoya asem a we ya tena ye ne ebeku ya because and now hospitals are doctors ahodo kan yade ahodo banyina has a niema baku mienu in relation to galamsey na ekoso enkoda ye wo mu anne deficiencies ahodo pi ewo mu no ni nyina has something to do with sa galamsey honsensemi. It is time was ye hunu say ye ku ye ho ye ku yechina yeku yedachi. We are killing our tomorrow, we are killing ourselves, and we are killing the next generation. Ti animra ye ho so no na mrofo na sa ba o mamu ha ba betena ye so wo mo ene esa ba be kire de wo se ye at this time.
All right, mama na se versa bana in fact Kwame areas ne de ade call sa menya ne message sa menya ne bebre baako ebebe abato de memre no mamiti baako pe yetie baako yi embra yetie
Sompa for a mam good morning da waseni muduma dia mudie ede boy na misram da bia leda yetie mu na misram na mo kan bi se insecurity no adoso akronfo no high yeso yewo anwoma so high tension economy abrano efam won de yentimi mpie from 5 to 6 there usole yebejo bag sisi yebejo woni emergency be susu aje woni emanyina kofo bi ba omutiti moto so moto 3 kradia 1 mutisu tutu pie kutasekai mu chiawa be maka wo oba wanyo obia mo yere oje because so ye be makra umwa ho moto mo jaman fo ne masa enene ya eni ikura 5 days kura adamba ko ne ba ikuru ya rida a promote government hospital ya man be ade chan on family no me yi no odi ni sika eko by 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock omude sekai jira no so agye ne woni amanyina jiska jere phone jene bag bibia ko oye pe omutwitwa osisi ami bi diga mutata na jere ne amanyina ma onne okura de wantimant na nukuru so wu fresh o wantimant na otusa kwa asafo ti esramo mo boy awoma so high tension sema
I have a lot go for the omodi ebeba. You see, me I don't have interest obeka obi once man I say, but the right thing should be done. That is me stance where me can assembly for asema obeka se me boa. Me sha say na me can flower pot for incident na oba ma me na oye structure bi ho. Me say no mo de bear be ka se kofi bu ache na akwa stop na say I did have to dig deep into it. Minya botri. Tiano man can be. And I made bad am share say information from Channel 1 and other places. Right, money video na munchi asema na ma meneka. Efa enkran. Flower pot junction na yehu structure say obi je structure bi wo interchange na say washing bay. But do you think say ma men wa bottom say or sorry ya no akwa assembly for no engineers no omre yo madwe sa ade na ye baby awo no betima ye ya to amakwabra ya
ye we e de amakwabra ne
what ya to amakwabra
ya to ye ton sa de bia ye we de amakwabra
presenting the plan adamu hu ye maame no no to ye no ba ku bia $19,000 according to her.
Wow.
Oto ba ku a uzi obutua engineers ni sika na engineers ne back down ebe assemble ade ne ma. But this is what to do. And $19,000 times 2. Permitter or J electricity for Yombe. What they be
under the bridge. This space is very big enough. It can contain the cars. This place can contain the washing bay. Because I spent the washing bay machine, one is $19,000. The machine alone is $19,000. And the room, you have to buy the room, that is $11,000. 2. And because if you buy one, you have to buy their ticket to come and install it. And if you buy 2, they will come and install it for you. So I was forced to buy 2. I have videos and everything. And the cars are parked there. I'm just pleading with the listening president. I know he's a father. I know. I'm just other person. So if I cannot build under the bridge, this space is very big enough. It can contain the cars. This place can contain the washing bay. Because I spent the washing bay machine, one is $19,000. The machine alone is $19,000. And the room, you have to buy the room, that is $11,000. 2. And because if you buy one, you have to buy their ticket to come and install it. And if you buy 2, they will come and install it for you. So I was forced to buy 2. I have videos and everything. And the cars are parked there. I'm just pleading with the listening president. I know he's a father. I know. I'm just other person. So if I cannot build under the bridge, this space is very big enough. It can contain the cars. This place can contain the washing bay. Because I spent the washing bay machine, one is $19,000.
Maturity tells you, say, you may be bad. You have to be careful and hasten not to talk. Me wa dey when I'm say ade ye kwosui. Maame no sabi, maame we wapre MP kra pen. Na amfa na amfa. Na me hu si opi kofi buache no. In fact, me die papa no abo adwuma o legacy order so bo adwuma. But me suspect say East Legon for ehun bebom me ehun de ma sa honhom ne ba me mu enti one initially I was thinking say Ade nipa na yani di ana isle gu ana say den tina COP go fi buachi di ambem. But listening to the woman, maame kan sem bi se omu bejama nipa foforo. Na so no na nsi a obi anu a obeje honum.
That is what it's supposed to be.
Kwame me say is it man 7 or where? Oma ye bi wo ase bata no omunye no water. Yes, see. This is the structure.
Yeah.
Myself in the no but no munye no washing bay. No myself no where? Yeah, interchange back kwase. Omaye no a car park. The private person na akwaje. Because no one say in asinto bia obeko no maye wo fin na why tan and sometimes no all the yard there betima fetch scam or mine no na enka structure na there's nothing wrong with it.
Yes.
So me de yard there ade na me de ye no it will not affect the structure. Interchange na. There is nothing wrong with it. Baby, my car park. You go Toronto, Canada. Honum bridges ni biase. De aye niyama. And also say recreational. Di ejiska edi ma omino. But me problem you say you washing bear. Kwame definitely ensuo be ye dey. Ensuo be fifa ho. Entina me yam hyehyem say enti wo in his proper sense say interchange say yemeye washing bay e wase it doesn't sound so abodam sem so be abetena say yenye washing bay e wo interchange say and the amount of money invested in this interchange I see obi ayi kakra obeye nti we should allow the person so you so yenye washing bay. So I was worried, but listen to the woman na me share the site plan is a structure no design no and I mean okay it is an enclosed washing bay and you build it to the extent to say all the sewage system and so ni na efa eyinase but also benya engineer but a layman perspective them di busa mo say even if ade na mo be building according to the woman which is $19,000 Macron like search as a mehu the nature how are the anything because one or so the other side near car park they said you mind other interchange and I say what the car park I don't see any problem with it if it is well arranged well structured you benya baby a park a car kokroma won chirewa that is fine ka be fatu nchen na min chechem no yen nyanti aseni enti say oye the other side car park. That is fine, but my challenge was with the washing bay. Assessment ben ana engineers now more me hone ye. Assessment ben no ye hu say maame no ade no ba be ye no affected the interchange. That is ade ade koso o ma adwim. Say dey no mu be ya because on paper no sometimes it looks nice. But when you be we no in reality no na ade no wan hwe ya abesai interchange no.
Yes.
Your chroma de use interchange we dey nkofo wo fufu wase. Do you remember? The said interchange no mu wo fu ase. I don't cry realm di nkomo hu say sa assembly sa omu black and white fu yi. Omu ebu okra omu get obu an get tito bi on say ye pam ba bia nipa ba ko ye pam ne da because assembly ono bia na ba ko get wum do omu de yes anti ye ba pam na ono kwa de enko ba bia tito bi omu ye yes anyama na kwa do omu de omu akwa ba enti nipa bi o that is how it is. So I ask myself say maame ne won legitimate permit enti maame ne sabio on board dam adia no ba be no but assembly no ana minim assessment omu ye ya omu de ho ma maame ne say onye and now you come back and tell me say maame ne into for what reason kwato tonyoma about 35,000 no ye light na otwe no wakoto nyoma $19,000 times 2 and nyama omu ba be blocks or ohun so delay no kindly mon hwehwe we ni mami structure na o ye no interchange na se mon hwehwe no mami So I ask myself, say, if you have authorities in this country, authorities, yet you with the taxpayers' money, their work is to reason and to make sure that nyama is suitable to the place. But the government pani permit we. Na ya kwa raising one sem ya be kwan. But the obia said yes, I dey no so hwe. Enti say allegations say ba say omo pese ojema obi nipa no minim nipa kro, but I won't mention the name for certain reasons. Say no kra say enye de obeye ne ha adwen na mom nipa kro no was ka chen no tie me o. Nipa kro was ka chen no ntina ombe so omde flower pot interchange ne ase ho no man dia. And now you are not being fair to the woman. Because every investor look for returns.
Yes.
And I'm told to say the person is a close ally to Nipana or co resist idea we buy. Nipano don't pay some the man on. Nipanto, some of the engineers are saying say they did proper assessment. And we say hold my because the design or the buy sir dino mubabe sino yombe si amia wash car no it will not affect the interchange. But no momususu to them no moon say nipa bi ne person or this room because or a close person to authority. And the assembly no omonhwe nyoma bi because the nyoma dia grow too much. Say me adebo a vapor ne nko alone. Esoku moisture na ebeba system ni mu. Our washing bay da omu to sa omu gun na water gun na esutu a unse honkwa breeze ni different no as en so na no shibi moisture content bi eba no as e mu ohye enti assessment ben engineers ne say ma me ne ye sa washing bay na sa moisturized way na eba no enma ensoki into the pillars of the air interchange na with time embubu structure na say affected structure. That is my worry. That is a very something I have margin pa. And to Kromano, we do things haphazardly. Because we think that sometimes we are affiliated to certain political party, we know someone in power, we have money and all that. And no emboying. That is what we are seeing. Kwame Ramna me brana me call region by region na yen take you omu how region.
Kwame.
Yes sir.
Enkomo aye tete de fa sa woman yi issue here pop up eba no. I think it's a side time I was say Ghana hanum ye kanokre. Ye secure ye senior kanokre di chire mpenifo say Kwame enye sikafo nko na omunya a particular place say omu tu ana mo bia sefata se hiani nso betumi aye ne kakrawa na ode be building no ho apagya no ho na ono nso abenya sika aduru sikafo na ye nimo omo na eye sampanyifo na wo mu nti omo ta chire nti a woman yi ye pese ye je saade na firi no ho na ye de mo omo no yate ye nim fine ya tesama ya tete but momo ma ne nyesa se ho nyese obeye saade na ene enye so onya mo bia nso nye but enyese ono enye no no obi foforo ye de ho command so ono nkonkonko ye adwenti na kromu ha se obi ebeye bribia agi se whom you know who knows you whom you know who knows you. When legally wa kwai niema wasa wodi ye niema wasa wo ya na still they want to use the system to frustrate you because who ni mobia because who ni obia nye free because you are no closer to power. Is that how we use power? Power de enki use so say ye de boa ni de pega obia left you obia ye nkase ye use power de intimidate amanfo de oba be ye ohono me efe. So to me ye na pija no nso nya sika no gina yi a eno so efe eni wo kwan se ye masika fo nko na ekoso nya sika eni wo kwan se ye masika fo nko na ekoso aye bribi omo nko na tumi ye bribi no say yes ye boa ye encourage entrepreneurship ye boana mabunu ne amanfo atumia go into omo ankasa wo businesses so omo atumia establish omo ho a ebia nie mu buna pre nti sika na wo de koto we no $19,000 times 2 plus $11,000 Kwame owie nso obefa adwumayefo nti enya o man ne ebeboa no owie a ba beje tax nti nya o man ne ebeboa no adenti ena de bia se niema bi ye fi se sefata nipa kuo bi kakra sa adenti a nti asikafo nko a na wonyansa wo kurum ha asikafo nko a na wa dwini wo kurum ha asikafo nko a na wo se ye mo kwan mo ye niema bi ana ahiafo de omuntumi ntu ana mo bi ana aden na whom you know de wo kurum ha sa Adena who knows you devil krumasa. It's high time see a jais anya me. It's high time see a jais anya me. No man you head no man jaya. Masa, it will be the ever body or the ever to be a man mra. Yam fahu. Aden afofuno ye dodo. Ya catch them say ye mu be the kruma and a mobia me to be anymore yatio. Ye nim ho asem dada mo tu code na ye be di kodu. Dia modi be babia ye nim ye ti ase enso babia modi be fa bia enso ye behu mamina boka munyai sa oye adwuma na ebebo ye nyina se honye dia enye mo bia so bia be ye adwuma wo ho mamu ma ye de ye tete ne de ye te wo fom honum no ne de manfo keka se ye agia firi ni nsam dia mo bi no mamu ma ne nye sa Kwame Mirasi.
All right. Message in 050-943-8500 050-943-8500. Mamin kind kakra na fe yema region by region. Na anope yenhwe de koso e various areas. Good morning. How are you? Morning show. Are doing a good job. Please listen, this problem is not this government too. It's past government, Nana and Baulaya. So please, let's together support President JDM and NDC government. Okay, greetings to President JDM, especially Honorable Nana Kwesi, still maintained from Mr. Paul Halu, aka Abum Chairman Obwasi, Abum Chairman Abum. When so as mamenye weni Dankwe Nyinahini Ghanaians are in hardship, but NDC comes out to praise themselves that everything is good. This shows how power drunk boosted politicians when they are enjoying power. So come 2028, we Ghanaians should teach them that we are suffering by bringing back MPP to power. Greetings to Chairman Koka, JFK lawyer Chiche Bonsu, and Honorable Mavis Hawa Kumsen. And so, Edianono, Mami Engra, the last one, Mimbraha. From Golden Boy, Anas Mampontain. Good morning. The opposition party MPP should stop making noise and propaganda and let Ghanaians enjoy the good governance of the NDC. Government led by John Dramani Mahama, you see, the inflation is moving single digit, the economy is stable, the fuel price is far better than the previous government, MPP administration. Then the dollar price is very good. Therefore, the road construction is ongoing across the country. This is NDC for you. Yes. Greetings to lawyer Abbas Nuruddin and Kwabri JJ of Aboso. Also there. Ode Abba Enono. All right. Be about TST. So, Mami Erem. Na anope yenfa issues on board. Tiababa region be a region no. Last week the kosi ya no. Last week issues ni by monfa book na menhwe response na yenya ene momu. But anope RS YD Novigi Studio Sebra. Broadcasting Ben filmmaking. Your studio hot mabe of film kama. Your state of the art equipment, your cameras are pizzles and any daho. You should to stream be bia ye bia person call TV so call fitting 10 times bia so. A far camera filming studio papa bi ane ohoma. Your Accra Malam Abiase First Coco Street. Mr. Organa Hegina Ubukia Yabeba. The Santi for 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030397 4822 030397 4822. Now no pay also break. Now you create something together. 21st clinic ana ye clinica yade bia ehwe yade free tiri so beka na ase ahwe na emom sciatica de ano na ye expert etutu ase besu na ase twon saa na se da bia hawa mesro mekoso akachew se ema yade ne nyansa enti adopa ebomade ne piem 21st clinic branches ne doso ya wokumase ehwe overseas junction Sompa TV, Sompa FM na wasru no more form. Sa enso so ana ye ben Alpha Radio. Accra oba Domi Market albe hu yen. Obo asifomfo manim chem Council Quarters, Court Junction, also be hu yen. Sunyan Emra Sunyan Teaching Hospital. Ye no mu anedi anim hwe pepe first gate wa. Enkransa ye ho techma ye ho 0249 311 311 0249311311 and now 0540311311. Sciatica expert 21st clinic. No pay and so my main count for come I pay my main count for mount sir express group and study and work abroad. Express group say study and work abroad. Yanya juma yamwa juma gidi. Ewa abroad school na woko. Express group and de woko anopay. Bomodia na ekopiem wo express group. Anopay express group say woko Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany. Ye na no even small copy ho. Hey, express group for jumbo. International exams nso so. Omo ana ye tuition papa bia ma. Registration ya de ade nyina omo na eye bia ma GRE SAT GMAT TOEFL ni nyina omo eye bi ewo honum na anopai bomodian nebra yaso ye ya wasafu labor roundabout Kumasi enkra ya Kaneshi First Light Tama ya community 18 Lashibi Golf Filling Station yane Lashibi Funeral Home ne ben so East Legon momra honum na yane Trinity Theological Seminar ane ben so takrade for Momra Market Circle yane Hot Ernesto fast food ane die nimhwe sansana sunyane Silver House yane court dino na ben so na Silver House building nimu ne Watermale Momra Tamale Teaching Hospital sansana bebia ni ye wo court dine ho yane court dine ho ne ben pepe anopa break na also ukosuya de scholarship na ope so nya admission till admission scholarship ana fei so opese ye boa na school na okono ye secure da abroche ho nsem de express group ana edu akegyinamu arapa edro ne ya ba akopɛ edro ayaje atum edro agina ho a utim se gina opoti edro ba ma no mo ba no ma utim se yes eboa ma stroke akɔ eboa ma numbness akɔ o body pain na ho do ni nyina because enubra na de aye na boost body no. Hey, I'm saying mo di asembebo nya wona ga biko e boost body no pa da ya ne ekofa bai kingdom herbal center ziafui kingdom herbal center omna akofa kingdom garlic capsules ene bitters oma akofa kingdom ginseng power capsules aba tremendous capsules e di wakegyinamu arapa me so yenyina yanom kingdom garlic capsules ene bitters ebusi immune ma immune ya strong soldier for ni gyinagyina ma yade bia ba panyan no mabono emema no so power kayazo ba yote wo bo rough obo jinsi na uti jinsi na de jinsi ye wodi peduanim ya so ne so di nuaba bia ne nu braki ka ho kingdom ginseng power capsules sexual weakness sisi yadeɛ afei wo has a mentally why stress wadwe na stress apa ntimi mu ama adeɛ no kura anya yi ntimi sraw bomode ana pekindom ginseng power capsule meme duro pebi na enyiwa kagina mu na release stress stress infuse so kwamwa no yakache so low sperm count Siemens ne meya uhia bi bubobi a man also say almighty tremendous capsules the almighty tremendous capsules eno ahimfie ho no ebobo kama eno saa no se onya brantie bi na brantie ne ya adwuma anopoti adwuma mu a wontimi na o wotimi na tube ho oba bi na ne ho ayefe na o te sansa nwoma ze babra ahimfie okoye nwoma gina ne na so if so obo tremendous capsules ni bi enti ahimfie o ehwam te say white bi anim betwe be mana de white e wo ho nya asem kitwa me so oba unya tremendous capsules na bebu ayela ya nya se bi ompe onem ahimfie ho nye o hwe ho fama na hwa na agude ni mase me so tremendous capsules bi ko balo obeda wase yamfe ani nkyeremu wa Kingdom Herbal Center or Kenshi Drug Lane leading pharmaceutical shop bia ya papa bia also hu Kingdom product ni bi ho herbal shop bia ya papa bia be hu Kingdom product ni bi ho 0597 298 88855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 a Kingdom Herbal Center. Aropai me come for the amount say school near Baku St. Andrew Senior High School. Admission form 1, form 2, form 3. Neso special admission you kwa mamua mokotre mu feli. Afe mu nso a ye twa mo papers nimbi. Oba no wo school built him say ade enkoyi wan hwe abekọ second world war. And tam so immediate at once. Me so fa ne ko the almighty St. Andrew Senior High School. Boarding facility, hostel facility papa bi. Campus no ehwa ye kama hohwam. Na ohwe teachers ehwa ye qualified and professional teachers a omocha akwada na dia exams dey be cho say solve question no. Answering the question is part of the question solved. Unte question na say abede answer. Ye cho say akwada no bete question na say ene kwan obefa so asolve. St. Andrew Senior High School. Campuses ne edoso. Yo wa asimfosu, yo mankesim, yo dunkwa onofin, yo sehwia sanweso, yo new edubiase. Ye general arts, ye general science, ye business, ye home economics, ye visual arts, ye agriculture science. Courses no edoso. Me so bray, ne ma excellent boarding facility papa bi. Compound ho ni nyina ya tile ho kama. Ne fa nsuo pete so ne dem ni bi. Classroom papa bi a just say nwansana ni wo agusua de ntontom ne nwansana kra hawadwin. Me so bomodia ne ko St. Andrews 0244 696911 0244 696911 afi 020789 1004 020789 1004 St. Andrews Senior High School ana me kamfo at the amount ana pay bomodia ne pe Tagore Herbal Mixture and the capsules. Uti di ne ka bibi kire Tagore Herbal Mixture and the capsules. Misraw sa ya die say hadwen. Wan hwe abekom pai bako tese se wante obeko because ade ne ntimi nyina so nyoma ntimi nsore impotency ewo memem. O libido wo form oba oni atenka. Me de mini atenka wo kan kra wo mfere. Ba de se ne nyame boss system na oso onya atenka na ye ba wa anwane o de 1 year na nya atenka na obi be de aware atenka no aso ne ye so ya de ti anopa wo pa atenka de a Tagore Herbal Mixture ene ne capsules afei infections e de yade bebreba and infections ahodo ni nyina say why say syphilis say infection bia obobo Tagore Herbal Mixture ene ne capsules na away ewo pharmacy bia omuto nnu e original ti uko na ebi ni ho a no say ho nya papa me so pharmaceutical shops ni na mumpe because Tagore Herbal Mixture say no na ye bobo anopay opedo do to afre 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 na anopay eniema enkoye emfa emma wo yabako regions no so montwetwe monkrata na monhya ase nchwocho Maya ready, yes. Mon Kwame ene Barbara ene team ni nyina mon twotwo region by region na yanko na yabekọ de Roman father edro no Roman father edro na die etu fan anopai Roman father edro no se honam eya oya body pains and weakness Roman father edro no edro we di oboa ha mesau yade akwanko ne wo so wa ya enko stroke ane ha ehaw o ase onsayo titriti o ase na yamashew bombirim ya chew mesro ohonam eya obasabasa wanhwe ya na edi ya yew ye de ye say manyame emma wakwanya no yes let's give God chance ye manyame ma yakwanya no if say Roman father duro ne de eno na ejina opoti di ma obia mesro eduro ye eduro pama yade bia if say a building immune system na maniema aye kama eye father Martin's herbal mixture ana no pay make come for more edura won ma eye divine won mo do say eduro we de nyame pa nyame na ye eduri nyame na ye eduri 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 0552 668517 eye divine eduro ye divine there wa what you say ya de bia enka dem last week Western region na issues ni doso anope na was been original minister ekasa but we don't know what is happening producers go so line no to do bia na ye bibia ho Western region regional minister na was ye ne kasa anope Ashanti region kania ne de anope what say ne ECG for din komo na ECG for ka challenges a mu face here the Ashanti region for mo de nti mo amwo Pristia Nkwanta Samra boy mo kwan no Rose ni bi ho no a ebenya facelift ebi won so a mo de ahase ma contractor mo minister ye ho adwuma bo ho adwuma badam pese ono ankasa enya nti mo de montami kuchu aya next week menya no anopena pese ono ato nanim to projects a ekoso Western region honum agona so aduro mo kwan safi de se mo kwan na kwan fumpa de mu dida se mo kwan nyenyenyenyenye na ebi won so amode anya big push ne bi ne nam big push mu a mu behu se enema koso genjine sampa kwan no mesram omde ama contract I think rango for on genjine sampa kwan no mesram omode ama contract contractors baso atebubu Kwame danso kwan no ene de se bikoti ehu asem se ya grandfather na eno so omugu so na I'm told say the ma contractor no bo raise certificate omuntua entina contractor na fi kwan so enti eno so last week ya bom regional minister ya nya no ti this week ya be no ho adwuma amam ti other ones de mo testify ti ya call region de ya no utimi frɛ na waka de omunya nyeye no wanti ho asem so utimi frɛ na waka no matwero na ya hwɛ ede amam anopa yenwura mo Western North Western region Central region sorry Western North Western region Central region 0548 931931 0548 931931 0551 931931 Young line say hello good morning.
Good morning, Abengazia.
Yes, my boss, we didn't be free.
Adaroma, your friend Sako there.
Saki and you no paying.
Na, Mamma Moabaso, now in Chama, I don't know for Kuapia. In South Central region, Chama, and Odia.
Sako, different region, Ben Abbey.
If you make us after you or the say.
Yeah, we say,
Subri Quanta.
Oh, Western region, and Central.
Subri Quanta.
Region Bay.
Western region.
Okay, Sack. With the card.
Kaka me pesa me kan say. With the cardia how. You best rabbi no. I say you first say can you some there. The whole so no. You first say you aban by what ma to Kanyam 29%.
Oh.
Now ko to my for to Fiema. Some 3 times. Na do dan kwa be aban 2017. The whole 2017 ya nto nkane ni nzuo bomu da. But they buy electricity in 29%. Kane na ya tum na say etimi di nya de ye adwuma no so a ye nya mfa nya adwuma. Na pese kire say enne ye to koko a koko ya to bi koko busumi mienu ni ebe sine ye nya sika ntia ne ka. Teachers for why you adwuma afi ne etua ka bosome. Ghana it is some mo we na 24 na sapre Ghana for some mo no. Mo tira mo beda da mo titi mo ketre ma no da die see into aba mo enne ka me mo wudu enne a bro rubber 40 cedi enne 50 cedi 40 cedi why because aban no ye bro na ya na Ghana e say aban no toro okọ China na okọ bro de ba put as here ntin na bro fo enne e ba amemo pa na Ghana for yakofa ba si we de kotobu o ma amemo pa na Ghana for akwakofa John Dramani mama kwa ba we the vice president 3.5 years. What's the president, part-time president in Iraq 4.5 years? No, what's up, Begima?
Zach, yeah, that's it. Zach, you're for baby pa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kwame.
Yes, my boss. Nyami adumo that's way. Hey, Martino. Now what is say? Nyami adum fashion one, mami. Okay.
Last week my friend said
Martin Jinaso kakra mami. Martin Jinaso kakra mami. Martin Jinaso kakra mami. Online no komsi komsa. Martin, otemenka. Mon fama Barbara on. Ma yentie. Martin area beya enanum sehwe on be kwai
say be kwai edura na adua no mudum ye light o anadu be 11 12 wo beti weni na light o.
Oh, okay.
Bad ye light system ni
Martin there no. Martin there no. Charlie, mon work online sin man. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir. Open baby afre free new ding.
Maybe ye boss here market say you are very western of.
Ya boy, yenti an open me near pen.
Yes, so that mo can be my na see ade akuya for ye bele. See am see anka say ni aduane. Mo aye do.
Hello.
Mo aye do ye ntomo no.
Omunto.
Mo no ye ntomo no. See aye mo grawa 3 million.
Hey.
Enu su po ye nto. Ye nto.
Amo gra say 300.
300 Ghana cedis.
Wow. Hey.
Yanto. Nti mun kan bi ma mo se yemi yanka se yazi ala bi ani aya nso ayento. Yes, mun kan bi ma e pa na kuya fo si ade e ble.
Se abomo so.
Edi to du ani edi kwa na ho edi.
Oh.
Yes, mun kan bi ma na si ade e hu amane. Se si e hu amane pa yes enya be bi ahuru e hu amane. That's back in 2023 na mo na ye ton kama.
Oh.
Desi ya meka weka se bia meboa. Ano kropa na meka no. Desi ya
na omwa ya boy.
Yes.
Omwa no mo befa no mo si die ntina se omo mefa.
Desi ya abana kramu na bebele nti ezi obi asori a.
Ama no ne dia don.
Aha, omo se abana dia ni so eno so abuwa ni nti omo tono. Ya dia ti se ya ni so no.
300 no crash still.
300 no buy ento me na me ka che mo pe u fi ga bo sa na o ba sa u fi afa na o ko bozi ye o bozi district no kwa pa na me ka che no nti e ya bele pa ya give ko ayen ko la school ko
ma che ye boa me da ase me ni ma ko ntia aban fasadi we nye school feeding because say western region schools be brio ho so at the end of the day no answer ya je school feeding. and I say a boarding house for you. And also magic boarding house for you. No more use. Tia. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh, hello, morning. Mommy and Fanny Powerful. Wait because Ofra now actually went through radio, so it's maybe Western, North, Central, Western region. Western, North, Central, Anna, Western region. Mr. Ofra no do mo set and say be out. O Betty can say okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, here.
Yes, my boss. Boko answer.
Nakopado, Mr. Mimpum, Eden Tetracon.
Minu aben you.
Put me up coming out for you.
Why am I free here?
I am free.
Okay.
I am free. Dunko, I am free.
Okay.
Kaka mekane say yesre komampanyi no so. Say bi so no ano edin. Na dia na ya krampo ne say nko mbe bi mu krampa anka radio stations there. Audio mo communicate kwa na nko maka chire. Opi obeba na edum kan ya edum so a o ma say me fridge. O me ju ho amenti ase. Kan ya no mama ya tum e de ko 29%. Yes ye nya hwe yibetua. Wadia mo sori amose ma take full so na modi no just chemena. Mo sori so kan ya na ma tutu na yepia be so a mo dum ni sa. Na de say kama wo krampo ne say ya ye kokku akuyafo yi. Ko kare kokku ni November ba ni nyina. We visit to go be nyame afofi ese so to no visit ko say this ya me na mu case ka misaka mijiga aye too much o me hu ye Bible ma the prodigal son of by on the side na so man panyini mama ye dey tell to wa kwa about the prodigal son what the son na so we dey chain face no krampo aye too much cocoa board na say cars ma kuma 150 emu ekon no e chain Russia wo na mo to di ma ayipo mo ye timo na ye goku adwuma na ye ka goku a o se ka mo koton ni kana brɛ no mo sɔre so a mo ntwa ye ka mintimi hu tom pese mo kisu tom pese mo ye de den ho ana kekere mo bo na nya mo so na baba ko no free so no o ka se ko metimi ande akɔ 60 million 6000 Ghana cedis a mo de ko 3000 mo ba ye so mo tumu finya bi mo ntwa ye ka so a kaskara aba tere bo de ke dia ki demonstration te mo
e me da se enya nro minia. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Abla.
Boko anaswe.
Where?
Bacho odini ba bia free.
Ajima from Winnie Valley.
Okay, ajingo yenti o.
Me me abia me kan na say. Mo sam trofo amote Kumase. Ani Kumase man. Na nanu ma himfa mo ka bia yeye. Ya peso bia so ya tinta sko kwa say ye Mahama say. No fault, no interchange, Swami. Yes, Canada. Someone something my mom can Edaka. Because interchange I cannot point Nadia. A travel country, sir. You know, Musha Boda, Mali, Burkina Faso, and idea. 81 minutes, excuses now, man, there. Nothing should be an excuse. Compensation, whatever. A company can high end compensation. What's your name? Yeah, compensation. On the commercial compensation. And you pay 40 years. You are not 40 years. Demonstration by Yana Santamano. Someone, any thing, say about the
Yamamo. Thank you, Ajamai. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Open your dinner, baby, are free.
Yes, sir, me, Anna, name, because still free Western of the Bishop.
Okay. Anna, the Indiano pay.
Yo, matter, or quite some media, need you go up so the thing. I have to take this thing, you know. Yes, sir. The other way, the year in part, okay, I point 5. Now, a year in Ghana for your sword, you give me, don't put your hand in the so.
Mensume Dasi. Okay, still Western, North, Central, Western region. Hello, good morning. Oh, too bad. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Open you Dumu TV no na etie. Oh. Me so fra no Dumu TV. Yes, sir, on to me. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Yebacho, you can free.
Kumasi. That Yababa Ashanti region. Yababa Ashanti region. Yanu Ashanti region. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby free.
Baba Nicholas.
Baba free. Oh, Baba, Eva Kumasi, Wadaroma. A young far western north. Na afe tinsi Kumasi. Hello, good morning.
Hey, Minia, na abom to say.
Minia Boko, Minia baby.
With the Patrick in here.
Okay.
The campaign here, my Baba share Rio Krum.
Aha.
Sorry. Yeah, no hope. The new more canon, the pastor minister, the Persia ma by necessary. Kuku Krenny with containing Kuku no early fee. A cat of one is containing. And he said, one, but Kuku, the no Kuku, but on him. Necessary. Let them one. Kuku Nikura. Ensure to turn crown. Kuku no ever pro. It is slap by the say, you are John Dramani, Mamma. Say yes, Reno. Kuku said, on money, bad set. Now, watching now to you one. Kuku when you do Ghana because a phone Kuku the pro a war with them. If you can't let dine of grand, it is you. I fire service you and play corner basa. She can't you in her head. Yes, say you got John Zaman, ma'am. But yes, can be your uncle from the car. Let's go pro. Pro. That kind of Zaminia. I will.
Patrick Mamenasi. Hello, good morning. Okay, Yamko next region. Yamra Ashanti region. Yamra Ashanti region. And let's work with Ashanti region, Greater Kumasi and Diaspora. 0548931931 0551931931. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, what's up?
Open you didn't be free.
If I talk about Kwame and Kwame,
okay.
If I saw it, open yesterday, you got what with your income my head. Kwame, it's rare. A quantity, ATSP and a Kufado, a bathroom. Not what you could see, cookie. I got an pay. Cars are called the policy. Essentially, a car, not almost 6 cities. It's almost just a little bit of your crime. That's a person. Almost 6-7 cities. I need bad week in there.
From 6 cities to 7 cities.
They catch the wall. Would you pass on me? Maybe I'm afraid. You're from a champion. See, new site, new site. And there was almost 7 cities. 7 cities. I put it in. Yes, MP. So I'm not quite a minister. Nadama. What do you want to say? A quano. If you want to and a quano. Yes, or yeah, you got to say what yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nadama. For much to say. Oh, my, yeah, blow count. And you're going to be a quality. Who think what you are? I'm saying if you blow count. Nadama.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. What do you need baby free?
What the welcome to park near Commander Fire.
Commander, Mamitiano pay.
Mention of constituency chairman hopeful. And to make a name delegate or mention of and consequently MP other. Papa says, Ukrainian enemy, and this are binding number 2 dear. Oh my God, for near he said, when I was to for natural, what I should be to cook for natural. That too much. You have to put him on how do you want to have it? They won't get to full as well. I think it's the and they can't for a garbage. No, I come in a ball on a moji and never to walk also for my group room. A boy who let get to 60 pesos and now move to 5 cities, they be a 5. I'm so a babu 18 who I can put for so this for that's the one of your 2 machine. 2 machine, you move in a car. Now we have the born in the court. And I was tell us how year. Could you imagine say, so the car mono, another car for Munako, fighter. Don't is I too much. Mama, I will be able to pay. I too much.
Commander Medase. Hello, good morning.
I should be good.
About pardon, baby, I'm free.
I shall my course with a free to the post office.
Swami post office. Okay.
Post office for long term, my time of kind of market. Post office for kind of money now. What's with you? Very charity hospital. You know, my big one, the car, no, after pan on the queen. There's so many who's my. You may coach let the care by. I'll be yeah, can't be being chance.
Okay. Barbara, ready a moment. You be free no pay ya. Because said you can hear answer. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open your dinner, baby. I'm free.
Your friend is man. Make a schedule.
As my entire no pay.
You make a mistake. I pay Coco. To create one and a half. Me person make a show almost omunya bote. Brete gona. A bedroom almost omunya bote na. Yano mo mo ba edi. They 15 years. You will be for more. Ya some mama. They 15 years boy. You do don't very beautiful. And this is all. You don't need to go. I pick gun the pantamno and then we are also on a big radio station, TV station, exercise. And to me, person get from there. Omonya butcher and my John Doe, Hamani Rabbi, a bedroom almost enter the bedroom. You did the beer for Ghana, middle baby.
Mention that and for last one. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open guess your dinner, baby, are free.
Because you're going to
good. Yenti way.
Regional Minister Dr. Fazamako in Michiano. And last time, I'm a person with a class, so they're not both. Oba Pantumampa, if he's a marty, a cool Martimampa. And I'm Dr. Fazamako in so solar box. And yeah, they're giving now more to train you now. Nice. At the Simampo. Oko Fidacia. There's a party full of Mupa. And so now, my solar box, now, most now, my finding nice friend. And the next MCC, DT, what answer agency. The over the Quia, Mr. O, study enough to cut on a dark man for one. They are no oversight. Mr. O, finish up. I mean, this is the part who come at them now, or your mouth. Or your mouth, because. Honorable Yakubu is for him and for MTV. And you must find out some deal with Johnny Paulson. We are not here a customer from Biano or the next. I think for Nakum. And see, yesterday I think if we are serving a meeting after Kuano and also, it is a Irano. And see, as Tasmano, as this is General so Upano, many of you are not the
now I can. May I say, thank you. Greater Accra. Yeramu Greater Accra. Yamfa Greater Accra region. Greater Accra. Yamfa Greater Accra for 055 1931 054893193. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, I'm Pachodini baby free.
Me free Jamasi.
Facha me free Ashanti region. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you dini baby free.
Opoku something ni mi do bubuashi.
Okay, OPBNTO.
Yo. Open kakra me pese me kan say. Se be sra ban no. We dey minia okasa ko mendi for monto ayam piazza. We dey say. Elikobo Opokuba. This work when him Kasache will be radio station, TV stations. What you here? When it's a Randiabi. And then Randiabi no Coco for no the executive chairman. What you say? Wapa kunya a car Land Cruiser. I couldn't see Land Cruiser. Coco could not only what you could do so. Also, say, Woko class, I book quiet to do so. One will call in executive chairman. Coco for Sikana. Yes, Ghana for us is here Kuku Fuzikan and only educate my idea. What you say? Kupu Kasakata or the other Nango to a woman. Jamama by Ghana, Bibian Kosovo come to $1. Only the no idiot. Contractors in Tumuka, yensi dan ye mo bi nkane ensu onko ba bia no ase etimani mu se di na bia memori
me da so poku. Hello, good morning.
Oh, asante di mina no me last call out. Ana mo peki me asam le ko beta ka. Ti ma me ka ka wa asante di wa de sew.
We dey
Ai, send us that here. I want to go back. The only say, Mamintia, regional minister, Michiano, why? I'm a friend Michiano. And another be Tema 1, online identifiers, Michiano, and none paper papa. My man, His Excellency Jones, when the man, Michiano. The only say, I can't read the home say, yeah, I buy way by and all, once a 1 year and you. The Shane may force was anti-regional, but in the enemy or one home what they buy. The young will come, they won't like it in us. In fact, they won't them school them with a summer. What they don't say fine, or what they say, African guardians never know. Most of my backyard, yeah. So, or what is the same thing? In the mechanic say, you know, in Campum, my situation never back to, and I think it's a boy. No, my buying for Baku, in the income in Boabano, and yes, I can't be able to my buying a flower. Yakupo won't come.
May I say, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir, but you didn't baby are free. Good. As a man can say, there be a fresh anti region for me. Now me say Greater Accra for no. There's a Greater Accra na mijina. Enche Accra na mi 12 yonum aba Eastern vote and ma me for Greater Accra for. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open case you didn't baby are free.
Because it's required.
Oh, fat me. Me fresh anti region. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oba Padini baby are free.
That's why Mr. Free Achimoda.
Achimoda. Our region baby.
But yeah, my cousin said, "Man, penny now a craft."
Achimoda did be any home. Achimoda were different. Eastern. There be Eastern. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. We got to make us free.
Okay, me and you.
Ghana for a doom say, hello, you see here. Because Sabi, yen tram moving from a fire home at Dada, and then you see it for every. Say, Antanasian Siadi and you Kuntumpo, and in Adana, see a bit idea. You better breast, because they say, no, you am Penocre, and Trump one. You get your 4 bunnies here. Mokaman.
I don't know, sir. Mankasa, Obi any Bresempa, Maminko Eastern region, Volta region, or T region. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby are free.
Yes, I'm a Accra.
Okay, Accra and found Chato.
Okay. If I'm saying, I'm sorry about commercial and any traders now. Hello.
Open yet your wadaroma.
But the commercial and China and nothing that may be whom baby. Baby to say I transport our for monument. It was traffic light you hold. I said more than a year. I transport one was a traffic light you hold. I said more than a year ago. Yes, so and no accident in see one was very serious. Now, the person who said came of boss and say, it's a common 10 cities, they changing a box, a traffic light, you know. They don't do it. But I a friend say, I'm a common about to American home, the same traffic light. I said more than a year. Traffic light, and so, what is going on here? You're doing maybe I say, to be honest.
But I say, hey, Obi of free crowd nim Kumasi change cry. Okay, Eastern I have an name called Eastern region, Volta region, or T region. You want it to free ho. Eastern region, Volta. Hello, good morning.
That's a flip mass motion.
About how you are free. There be. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
I mean, was anyway, if I catch it out, one of the few. Into the media, but my Maka can found the minimum how I meet up on chair. I the only what I let you know. Who are Katia? Don't say, you come before a Bonopper, and a Bonopper. Have agonokoma na abo na ti ade ho ni mi fi habi to ti ade bi e kwaso oni se e fi akati e ho no ko no mo fe kwa ho no kwa no e butu fanya ko ti agonokoma e ko bi abo na ta twa ti ma ti ko se ho so e di ma e e kwaso ana o fa ni fanso so a e ko joje fa ta joje fa no wo so mo so na ai go mo na la ti tumbi o pedi so ai ko ko mo se ni ma e e kwaso kama Kakra, Mr. Minimo, Mr. Papa, Macram, Baba.
May I say, I am mammy, sorry. Hey, a producer, what your boy. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
good morning, Papa. You didn't baby, I'm free.
Like I'm free.
Hey,
okay,
ain't you?
But so, young man, 2 years, 2 years, Breu.
Adea. Oh. Line in it. Closer, Mr. Yes, sir. Embody obey me and I am. Embody obey and I. I'm see our brand birthdays in I am sorry. Embody obey me and I am. Happy birthday going to Akosia Hega of a share. Akosia happy birthday. Yes, I pomodane and quatintane among. Yamemo akuma so ade nyina embram. Obako ahofane to aso sa. Happy birthday. Yamo awodapa. Happy birthday to Ibrahim Idrisu. Ibrahim A2 the Bono regional chairman Kwame Bafo Abronye. Ibrahim, happy birthday. Matise ka crab no your masters or second degree na wie ya ma otim kwa ye se nyame se o ma hofe ne nkoso sa wa ye be me de o ma obotom nyaska bebre menim se o na odu birthday ube ko children's home said o ye na afi bia happy birthday Ibra nyame nyo kese na nyame mani nhira no emu nkamo so afei the last birthday enkoma Richard Osei Ousu Richard oh ya guy swag na no edin nyame nhira Rich Name for Adum Kwadum. Happy birthday, Yamawa Wodapa. Enjoy this beautiful and amazing time. Richard Papa B. Bemanono. Happy birthday. Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa and Nkwantabisa. It has been a wonderful morning with you. Young Fast the man Young Kopond Yankwe. Of course, we strive to improve and get better. Sport for it, Nasio. Apostle General. Amber Power.